Hi everybody, have you had this Carmichael honey, you guys? This honey, it is 100% pure, raw, unfiltered honey, and this is made from the US. And this is what amazing about this is delicious. And you can put it in your teas, you can put it anything that you need sweeten. I do make some honey and cayenne pepper, and they have some ginger in it, so this one I can use as seasonings or just like have some good sweet delicious meal to it for flavoring. So yes, I do highly recommend this honey, guys. This is known to be made in the US from um, Louisiana, I believe, and it is so delicious. So highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.